Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Gemini, we are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Gemini, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have Five of Pentacles in reverse, Sun, and Eight of Wands in reverse. So in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe today you are in a good connection with this person, you have a level of understanding with them, and you love this person and even they love you a lot. But whatever it is, guys, there are some things, some troubles, some misunderstandings, fights or quarrels in this relationship. Something is missing, something is not working out between you both. So some troubles in this relationship, guys, maybe. So though you have a good understanding or a level of understanding with this person, in certain things either you are reacting in a very harsh way or this person is reacting in a harsh way, and it is leading to some kind of fights or arguments today, guys. And the reasons may be this person is quite envious of you, guys. Maybe you are very talented, skilled, and you are in a good position in your career, and that may be the reason this person is quite envious of you. And if it is a positive jealousy, they want to achieve like you and they want to do well like you, and it acts as an inspiration. But if they are feeling really negative, really jealous and envious, holding some kind of a negative impression about you, so that is not going to inspire them, guys. They are just going to feel really inferior in front of you, and it is going to give rise to a lot of arguments or stressful situation. And maybe for some of you, this person would have done some mistakes. Maybe they are hiding some mistakes on their part and they are really guilty, guys. Maybe they are they are interested in someone else, maybe for some of you, and that is the reason they are really guilty. Maybe they are in this connection with you, and at the same time they are seeing someone or they are having their interest or focus on someone else, and they feel really guilty when they are with you. And when they see you as a successful person, loving and caring person, it just increases their feelings of guilt and it makes them angry. So their guilty conscience may be the reason for troubles in this relationship, guys, Gemini. But Gemini, I also see that no matter what your situation is, maybe they are guilty or they are not guilty, or they have done some mistakes, or there may be some minor troubles in this relationship. Whatever it is, guys, you are going to see a positive transformation. See the card here, guys, the Sun card. It's a very positive card. So it stands for a positive change, a positive outcome in your life today, guys. So no matter what your situation is, it's going to resolve, guys, Gemini. So that is what I see with these cards, Gemini, and that is the reading for you all today. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can either close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds about your situation, then choose the cards or the crystals and watch that reading so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So you can think about your situation, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card and this crystal. Let's see what is the card for you all. So for those who chose this card, the card says water and salt, truth. So in your situation today, guys, maybe in this relationship or maybe in some circumstance, you are someone who is really truthful, honest, and who speaks the truth, maybe plain truth, and people around you, maybe someone really close to you, they may not like you speaking the plain truth. They may not understand that it is your honest words. It may be what you truly feel, but you may be punished, or you may be scolded, or they may come to fight with you because of speaking this honesty, and you are not willing to tone down this truth or flatter them in any ways. So you are someone who speaks your mind, someone who tells what you truly feel, and this may not go well with this person or someone in your life, and this is not the time to to speak just to please this person. This may be the time for speaking what is that in your heart, giving that clarity, and maybe there is no reason for you to speak otherwise. This is the time you are speaking the truth, plain truth, maybe in some situation, and this person may not like it because it makes them feel really uncomfortable, and they may come to argue with you or fight with you, or they may even try to break this relationship. But this truth is all that you need for to be in this connection, and you can never give it up. That is your situation, guys. But whatever troubles you're facing today, guys, maybe by speaking what is there in your mind or some truth to this person, whatever you're facing, someday this person will understand that your words are based on honesty, and that all that happened is their mistake, and they will realize what has gone wrong, and it is all their mistake, guys. So your honesty, your plain honesty, will be appreciated someday, but that day may not be today. You may be facing a lot of troubles because of this truth, but you can be sure that someday they will understand what you truly felt today, guys, and the reason for you to speaking such words. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second crystal and this card, the second card, we have lithium quartz, and it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So this crystal, it just stands for that calmness, composure, peacefulness in our situation, and connectedness with that other person. So how to achieve this peacefulness in a relationship? Peace comes in a relationship when we are willing to trust that there is more than one right way of doing anything. Maybe we are suggesting some things and we believe in our way. Maybe whatever this person is also suggesting may be a different path, but that may also be the right path towards that destination. So you need to understand that, and you need to collaborate with your strengths, and maybe in the areas we are weak, we can take support, and the areas we are strong, we can help the other person. So in a relationship, we are meant to heal and grow together, balancing each other in this relationship. And That is the reason opposites always attract. So we are opposites of each other. So the people in a relationship, guys, and we must appreciate each other's talents and skills and support each other. So that way we are working towards a peaceful connection, and this crystal promotes that, or this crystal energy is that going for that peaceful interconnection. So you need to understand and try to collaborate instead of fighting or arguing. Sometimes we must listen to that person, their ideas. So even their ideas may work out positively, just how we believe our ideas will work out in a positive way, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. So this was your first card, guys. Bye, guys.